Day 3 of a half cup of blood meal. I just came on because even though I thought it was going to be the same, because I was just adding more blood meal, there's a few things different, which is Mars is outside today instead of the other puppies. And also I just started picking them up, but this one has little sprouts of things growing in my hay bale, or in my straw bale. I'm assuming it's little bits of wheat. They say straw is better to have than hay because there's less seeds. I think I got almost all of them. Here's a few more. But obviously there is some seeds. And then also, it's getting kind of saturated, so when I spray it, it starts to shoot the blood meal away. So I'm starting to, let's see if I can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, I'm starting to point the water in a little bit, if you can tell that. To try to make sure that it's staying inside instead of running off the edges. So if you try that, this one time it was starting to run out before it went straight in, but I guess because it's a little bit saturated, I'm trying to do that. But that's basically it. That's the main difference. And tomorrow we're down to a 1/4 cup of it. So basically, so far I've used a whole bag of the blood meal, and I'm on my second bag. I got this one. It's a little bit different. I mean, it's the same thing. I just got it from Gardener's Outpost. So that's another place you can get blood meal from if you are in Colombia. That's it. Nope. And also dogs apparently love blood meal. You have to chase them away. So that's what I got for today. All right, love you guys. I hope you're having a great day.